Hello everyone, welcome back. I had made a tutorial like this one here a while back, and a gentleman asked me if we can save this as a preset to just put whatever logo you want to hook onto it. You somewhat can, you still have to go to Fusion, but it will save the the composition that you made, and everything will be saved there. So I'll go over this and show you how to do it, and maybe this will be enough and you'll be happy with this. But it does save some work if you want to keep reusing it. But we're going to do a few changes here first. These are not rotating in real time. I had sped this video up. As you see, it's rendering really slow. So we're going to change the render type. So before we do this, we'll go into Fusion. Select the render node. In the inspector under render type, it should say software render. Change that to hardware render. Then this box will pop up. It should say Z buffer like this. I had it changed a minute ago. Change Z buffer to quick sort. Now it'll blaze right through the rendering, as you just seen. Then we're going to make this so you can extend it to whatever length you'd like. So go up in the spline. Way up in the top right corner. If all your inspectors in your way, your spline, go ahead. There's a little window up here you can click. Opens it up. Select your transform. I have this on 5-second timeline right now at 30 frames per second. But like I say, you're going to be able to, in mine right now I have it rotating 1.5 times in 5 seconds. Then go over here to zoom to fit. Then you can select this little box and select all, or you can highlight them like a lot of people do and select them. And then right next to it, there's a little button that says set relative. My favorite color once again. Before we change that in the spline, it would not continue to run this long. It would only run 5 seconds. So if you want to make it to run more than 5 seconds, make sure you set that spline like we just showed you. And there's one more thing I want to do here. We're going to add a pipe router here just so when you connect your new, when you pull it down into Fusion and you connect your new logo to it, you're not looking at the image plane. So hold the Alt key down. Add that little pipe router in there. Now you just see a black box. Or a black screen, should I say. Okay, and how to save it. Highlight all them. Right click, any of them. Go over to group. And then right click on the group. Go to settings. Save as. Give it a name. Here's the folder I have in Resolve that I made. You have to have a folder to put it in and dot settings file. Pretty easy to do. Probably already know how to do that, so I don't need to spend time on that. Now here's what we just saved. Now you cannot make a DRX file with it like that, but you can do it this way. And here it is. When you scrub over it, you're not going to see anything. The viewer will be black. Put your playhead over it and go down to Fusion. Right click on a group and select Ungroup. And there's everything we had. Now you can bring down any logo. Pipe it right into the pipe router. It's already in Viewer 2. And like I said, you can stretch it to whatever length you like. Let it render out again. Shorten it up for the demo here. We'll put another picture of a logo on it. Now these are just pictures of a PNG transparent logo. And if you need to size it, click on it in the inspector under settings. And we'll change it one more time. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps you out.